up, nail gang? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm doing a press-on set for me. Actually, it's time for me to switch out my nails. In the video, you see my prior nails, but I'm doing this set because I saw the design and I wanted to try it. I'm not gonna talk too much in this video because I just want y'all to watch and see what I do. If you actually like me talking, then let me know and I will talk more. In this video, I actually will pop in and out to explain certain things just to let y'all know what's going on. Okay, so right here, I flipped the nail stand over so that the nails would be upside down, as you will. Only because I'm using the 5-in-1 glue by Beetles, and I find when you do them this way instead of the regular way, it makes the cuticle area a little bit thinner, and your press-ons won't shrink. If it's too much product at the cuticle area, then they will shrink if it's too much product, like stuff like this, like the nail glue or hard gel or builder gel, acrylic, anything like that. It'll make the cuticle shrink if it's too much product on there. So that's why I flipped it over. Okay, right here you can see where it wrinkled. That either means that I put too much polish or it didn't cure properly. Because sometimes when I put my hand in, it'll the light will come on and then go off. So I have to restart the lamp or whatever. But now when I'm doing orders, custom orders or 20-piece sets, I'll just do the nail over. I wouldn't keep it there. But because it was for me, I just kept it. Because sometimes even the top coat will smooth it out. So that's the reason why I left it in there, because it's mine. But other people's, I would have just did those 2 nails over. Just want to say something real quick. Normally, I don't buff the nail. Normally, I'll put the charm on before I top coat, but I top coated it to see if the nail will smooth out like I said previously. And plus, this is a big charm, so I just buffed it just to make sure it stay. And here at the end, when I'm finished a set, I always wait till the end to file the nail so that it can be really, really crisp and keep the shape. When you are applying gel polish, base coat, top coat, even the glue, builder gel, all that, you want to make sure you do thin layers so that it doesn't mess up the shape too much. But even still, towards the end, I'll file at the end so that it can be really crisp and look nice and bring the shape back. So here we are. This is the final look. So instead of red bottoms, I did gold bottoms. I wanted to try something new. In the design, it wasn't gold bottoms, but I really wanted to try it. I think it came out pretty good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.